Song Dynasty by Gabriel and Andres Marin. Who? The northern song was founded by Zhao Guanjin, a military general in the later Zhao. The southern song was set up by Zhao Go, son of the last emperor of the northern song. What? The song was an imperial dynasty in China.
Where? The Song dynasty was located in Kaifeng, China. Why? The Song dynasty came to power because of the want to conquer and spread throughout China. When? Starting in 1960 and ending in 1279, the Song dynasty consisted of the Northern Song, which was from 960 to 1127, and the Southern Song, which was from 1127 to 1279. How? The Northern Song was founded by Shao Kuanjin, who launched a mutiny in Shenqiao County. The Southern Song was founded by Shao Go and fled to Nanjing Ying Tianfu and established the Southern Song dynasty there. Cause and effect. Generally, the Song dynasty was prosperous in many respects of the society. In agriculture, the productive technology was improved, which promoted the output of food. In handicraft industry, the division of labor became more detailed, which made the handicrafts technology reach an advanced level. Additionally, the development of the commodity exceeded the previous level.
The end.
Legend of Legends!